Alright, y'all, we back with another POV with it, man. You know the motherfucking vibes, you dig? Wanna film a quick little POV in this bitch, man. Big 300 shit. Motherfucking challenger behind me somewhere. But I wait to put the camera at this nigga right here, man, working and shit. That motherfucking challenger right here. Challenger right here behind me. It is his bitch ass. His bitch ass. Then they're thinking about hitting this motherfucker for real. I ain't gonna doubt. But I ain't trying to get my shit smacked. Look how many cars on this bitch. I'm gonna have to probably wait for the light. There it is. His ass was asleep at the light. Why he downshifting already? Bro trying to make us go to jail and shit. His ass over here downshifting and shit like a bad bitch. When I put the camera on, I was not expecting all this traffic, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Man, it's almost time for me to go get tent, bro. I keep saying I'm finna do it, bro, and I just don't do it. I've been trying to save money and shit, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. She over there dancing in the parking lot. Damn, can we hurry up and move, bro? I'm sorry, y'all. Stay with me, man. I promise you it's gonna pick up, bro. I promise y'all. I got 90 fucking miles, bro. I gotta fill up on gas again, bro. Holy shit. My steering wheel fell off because I was fucking moving it for the video. Look, it was all that fucking space. Over tweaking. He said, come get some of that pussy, cat. Man, what y'all been on though, y'all? I hope y'all been watching all my videos all the way through, man. Get the watch time up on this bitch on the girls. It's almost summertime, man. Let me know what car y'all popping out with for the summertime, man. Let me know something. Well, I see on his break, bro. Let me know what cars y'all popping out with this summer, man. Bro, what the fuck are you doing? Like, bro, he's steady on his brake for no fucking reason. This motherfucker in front of me gonna cause an accident, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. He keep fucking stomping on the gas like he got speed, and he steady fucking stomping on his brake like a dumbass. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting over, bro. Damn, pickup truck did exactly what I was just gonna do. None of these cars fast enough to be in that third lane, bro. I don't understand why the fuck they doing it, bro. Not even going back. Why the fuck is people still in school? It's 4 o'clock. I don't think I got space to hit this shit. Now I do. But now there's cars coming in that fucking lane, so there's no point. I like my shoes, y'all. Le Mello Le Français. Le Mello Le Français. Like, all the cars that's on this right lane right now don't have no reason to be in that right lane. The lane fucking closed and y'all don't have enough speed to pass up some of these motherfucking cars, bro. I need fucking gas. Fuck. Damn, Durango right there. Like, why y'all get in that right lane? Like, I got this bitch overclocked on the right for no fucking reason. Where the fuck is Blaney at? 3 slow-ass cars in the right lane, bro. Where the fuck is Mr. Ivory? Oh, he behind this pickup truck. I need to hurry up and tint my windows so I can put my fucking radar back on the window, bro. My fucking people was tripping about me having that bitch on there. Somebody gonna break into my car and steal that bitch. So the one day my dad took my car, he fucking took it off the window. I just haven't put it back on there. Just gonna wait for my shit to get tinted. Bro, nobody in this left lane. He finally behind me. He going slow as shit though. Oh. He ain't take the hint to get his ass over. He gonna squeeze his ass in there. See, he wonder why his cars be getting smacked up and shit. I just gave his ass room to go over there and do that shit. Damn, it's gonna be a bitch try to get over across the street right here. I ain't gonna bap. I might just take the whole light down. Depending on how traffic is right here once we turn right. I'm confused why this lane is not turning right. Go, go, go. His ass steady downshifting that bitch. Realistically, the car should let us through, but they ain't going nowhere. See where his bitch ass went to. Cassidy and that bitch working. I'm not stopping at none of these damn lights, boy. Over tweaking in this bit. His ass ain't even come over here yet. Ugh. Ooh. His ass really got caught at that light. Holy shit. Oh. Ooh. I'm over here just doing shit, y'all. I don't even know where the fuck Blaney ass is at, bro. Hold on with my shit. My shit reversed and shit. Oh. So y'all the car real quick, things of that nature. Is that him over there, bro? Is that him all the way over there? I don't know if y'all can see that shit. Hope his dumb ass ain't just do nothing stupid. But it's the 300s I got right now, man. We do got grill and side marker in the crib. I just gotta put that shit on. Gotta tint my shit. Then we gonna have to buy a hood for my shit. I'm gonna buy motherfucking Hellcat scat hood, things of nature. Wrap that bitch black through the mirrors. Put these bitches black. And we gonna be cool from there, man. Then from there, I already got the lights in this bitch. From there, all we gotta do is fucking oh shit, we might have an E-date. From here, all we gotta do is fucking, you feel me? Put the star lights in that bitch, get some new rims, and we damn near done with the car, y'all. That's why I like having this V6. Now when I get Rex back, shit gonna get spooky, king. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta do so much shit performance-wise to upgrade that damn car. I do gotta get an oil change in about another 1,000 miles, so about a month. I gotta get an oil change, and I wanna put new brakes and rotors on this bitch. But before I fuck with the brakes and oil, I'm gonna try to get this shit tinted. Try and get the star lights. Those are the main two things I'm worried about right now. And then do the grill, do the side markers, and we gonna have a ball, have some fun, man. Let me know. I'm probably gonna get a pedal commander, whatever the fuck that shit called. I'm probably gonna get that shit too. Let me know what other, and a cold intake. Obviously get those two things performance wise. But let me know what other two things y'all do recommend, you feel me? And we're gonna go from there, man. I love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.